Morning internet, happy Friday. Wanted to make a quick little video just today, this morning before running off to class. And that was sort of just actually a discussion and within the community sort of around the acceptance of, or the purported acceptance of the fact that you're not going to be as productive every day as you'd like to be, which we've talked about in the past, and sort of you should just accept that some days you're not going to be productive at all. And that is okay. That is sort of part of the process of learning to code. So let's get started. I guess this idea has been kicking around my head a fair amount, as in my program, I've realized that there's a pretty strong correlation, inverse correlation, I guess, between the ability to concentrate and sleep, which I think is sort of more broadly applicable to life rather than just learning to code. But I've realized that sort of with the intensity of the program that I'm doing, that when I don't sleep enough, I'm just not that productive. And there's a certain level of correlation between your ability to attack complex and new to you problems and the amount of sleep you've had, or sort of the amount that you can concentrate. And so I found that there are some days where I won't pull an all-nighter per se, but like I'll stay up till 1, 2, 3 in the morning, like yesterday, and then I'll have a team meeting with my team for our project at 8 a.m. So in like 13 minutes, and I think it's just interesting because for me, there can be some level of sort of cognitive dissonance or cognitive friction around the fact that, like, knowing I haven't gotten enough sleep, like feeling bad for myself that I have a meeting in 13 minutes and I wasn't able to sleep in, or get the proper amount of sleep. But I think just the ability to accept that, the ability to be like, okay, today's going to be a tough day in some ways. Today's just going to be a day that my concentration isn't at its peak. Today's going to be a day where, I sort of easily, what is the word? Clearly I can't think of it, but like not glide, but like you sort of like drift. Drift is the word. You sort of drift off. Like maybe you're in a similar place to me, and you're trying to work on this integration of an API and data model and stuff, and like you just accept that there are going to be multiple half-hour blocks, 2-hour blocks where you're just like, might as well have like taken half of that time and just gone and taken a nap. But that's sort of, I think, just one of the natures of learning anything, but particularly in learning to program. And I've sort of found that the more I can work towards accepting the fact that not every day is going to be super productive, sort of the easier it is to get through those days. So in summary, this video is just supposed to be about sort of accepting that not every day is going to be as productive as you like, and that you're going to have days that are more and less productive. There's probably some relationship with how productive you can be and the amount of sleep you've gotten either the previous night or the week or whatnot. We'd love to know what you think about this topic, and additional feedback around the project about this video is always welcome. So on that note, we're going to run to our team meeting, and we hope that you have a great day, because it's Friday. Actually, just because we want you to always have a great day, but knowing that it's Friday might make that a little bit easier. So have a good one, and we'll see you either this afternoon or this weekend. Okay, bye.